Hey guys, in live here for VideoHive.net. Thank you for buying my new project called Nightwalker, and in this short video tutorial I'll show you how you can customize the basics of the project itself. The first thing you should know is that the original project, the one called just Nightwalker, requires the two plugins, Particular and Optical Flares. If you don't have any of those plugins, you can load the project from the folder called Nightwalker pre-rendered. I'll load the project from there for the sake of speed, and here it is, Nightwalker pre-rendered, and we'll start with the customization. If you have previously downloaded any of my project, you'll know that I follow the same style. Each folder here in the project panel represents an actual scene here on the timeline, and whatever you want to change in scene 2, you should go with the scene 2 folder. And yeah, basically customization is replacing the text and the footage material. So let's start with simple text customizations like the one we should do in scene 2. Don't be fooled by the fact that there is no scene 1 in the composition. It's just the way I built this project. Nothing is missing or anything like that. So we need to customize the text in scene 2. I simply find the scene 2 folder, click it once to expand, and there I have a composition called text. This composition named text appears in all of the other folders. If you take a look to the rest of the project, so double click the text composition, it will load in a separate tab here in the timeline panel, and as you see, it has an animation on it. So if you want to add another text layer, simply duplicate that one, because if you create new text layer from scratch, it will not have the animation. So whatever you do, simply double click this one and rewrite it with your text. Let's say this is your first title, and the one down here says this is your small title. Once you're ready with that, you can close the text tab and check the main compositions. As you see, it is all updated with your own text. As you may guess, you can always change the font of your text, change its size, and all the other options you see here on the right in the character panel. What else? The same procedure goes for all of the other text scenes. The more interesting part is here in, say, scene 8, where you have a footage placeholder. Now is the time to import your footage, and let's find something from my local computer. I'll go under import file, and I have some digital juice clips over here. I'll load one of them, hold the left mouse button and drag it on top of the dark gray solid layer. Actually, you can even delete that one with the delete button, because you don't need it anymore. Now, like in my case, and probably this will happen to you too, the footage you import is way too larger than the composition I've set up. You can see that the handlers go beyond the text comp. What you can do is right click on the clip itself, go transform and fit to comp. This will make the comp automatically fit the composition. Once you're ready with that, you can close the footage tab, and here it is. Your scene 8 is updated with your footage and with your text. Well, this is pretty much it. This is the same way you change all of the other text and footage compositions. Unfortunately, with the pre-rendered version, you have no control over the color of the flares or the particle density or speed or whatever. If you want to customize those, you should load the non-pre-rendered version, but you will need, of course, particular and optical flares for that. Well, this is it. Thanks for buying again, guys. If you have some questions, feel free to drop me an email. And yeah, that would be all. Thanks and bye.